What voice should I do?
Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna do an unboxing. My mom works at Nintendo and she said that I can put these out. So here we go. The first one is a cat. He's cute. He looks like Grumpy Cat, lol. Okay, unbox him, servant. Wow. Okay, servant, next one, Ridley. Open the Ridley, amiibo. It's Ridley. Oh my God, is that Ridley? Beans. Okay, now I.
You act when spoken to!
Okay, well now we're gonna open the charges. Try them out. Get your phone, get your iPhone 12. Oh, wow, that's cool. Wow. Okay, now plug them both in. Plug them both in. Let's do one at a time. Let's do one at a time. Let's do one at a time. One at a time. Okay, plug it in. No, plug it in. For the love of God, plug it in. I'm gonna pull your brains out of your skull and feed them to your dead wife. Is it charging? Go close. Go close. Come on. Come here. Don't be shy. Come here. I still can't see. Oh my God. Okay, now unplug that. Get off your phone. I don't pay you. Time for the next one. Yeah, okay, let's charge it back. Oh yeah. Show that bad boy. Look at that. Okay, Nick. Oh my God, is that a dog? Oh my God, that's a dog. Okay, so next we got that. We totally just bought this. We didn't buy it a year ago and ran out of things to open. Stop. I'm trying to run a business here. Don't you know that I'm trying to run a business here? Oh God. Okay, now we're unboxing. Here we go.
Quality box.
Quality. Solid. Okay out of yes.
It's got big.
Oh crap.
Okay, next we're gonna unbox some cloths. Can you shut up? Okay, first we gotta. just skip over this part and make it a fast, you know? You know? You know?
Make it a co-op.
No.
What am I doing?
It's been going the entire time.
What am I doing?
I'll call you out and then you unbox yours first.
Over here?
Not yet. Okay, so now we're gonna show the charges. The pretty stuff is. Nah.
Why are we doing this? This is so stupid.
I don't know.
Ow, okay. Well, that was pretty cool. Adam! Adam! Adam!
Dad, we're making quality videos.
I'm gonna call the police.